lovely people. How are you? I'm doing great because I'm going to be unbagging my December 2018 Yes Oh Yes. But after I get done unbagging it, I want to do a couple reviews on some of my lotions. This was from Sol de Janeiro. This is a new lotion that they have. And also it came out December 1st, and then this is for my face. So after I do the unboxing, stay tuned and I'll tell you what I think about those lotions. All right, so I have my ups and downs. This might be a little negative review just to let you guys know. So let's just start from scratch. This is a $14.99 a month subscription. You do pay for shipping. So I think it's like $3.99 or $4.99 you pay for shipping. It comes to about $18.98. Subscription boxes are starting to tax you depending on where you live. I live in Jersey, so we always get taxed higher than a lot of states. So like I said, it is $18.98. It's opened already because I did the unboxing. It didn't come with a card. If you watched my video last month, I will leave it down below. They said the value was like $140 worth, but when I added everything up, when I did my own investigation, it came to about $50. So this month didn't come with a card, and I was like, you know what? Let me look everything up and see what the value comes to, because I think, did they not put the card in because they don't want people to know? Like, they don't want to get caught in their lies again. So that's what I did. I have everything here, all the receipts. So let's just begin. I will also show you on my phone what the prices are. All right, so, and they're guaranteed you're supposed to get at least $80 worth of value. All right, so the first that we got is from Cokie, I was going to say Cosmetics. It used to be called Cokie Cosmetics, but now it's Cokie Professionals. This is their liquid lipstick in the shade Dolled Up. This is a really pretty shade. I'll swatch it for you. I haven't tried a whole lot from Cokie Cosmetics. I did try like a face powder, which I like. They also had a face palette. I love their mascara. These liquid lipsticks do not dry down all the way. So, but they do feel really good. And this is just a beautiful color. I really like it. So, let me show you how much it is saying that it is. So on the Cokie website, it is reading for $6. All right. Then the next thing we got is this crown brush. This is the BK32 angled blush brush. I don't want to really open it because I'm going to put this in a giveaway. I do have this one. So let's see how much that one says. So on the Crown website, it is coming up for $3.99. There is the brush, the Badger Angle Blush BK32, and right there it is $3.99. So we're up to $6 and $4, $10. Okay. The next thing we got is this lip mask from Masquerade. Now, I never tried their lip mask. We only got one in, I think there's only one that comes in here, I think. But we only got one package. I've tried their sheet mask, and they're okay. I never tried this, so I don't know how much it is. I couldn't really find this online, but I did find it, and it is coming up, I believe, $7. So this is on the Masquerade site. I like to look at a couple sites to see the price difference, but so it is coming up $7 Canadian. I don't know what the US will be. I live in the US, but that is all I can find on that. So we're about up to $17. The next thing we got is this eyeshadow palette. This is by Beauty Creations in the Cali Cheek. I do have this one. It's really pretty. It's just like a regular warm tone palette. It comes with a mirror. I'm going to bend it back, put my hand on this part so I don't touch the mirror, because I'm going to put this in a giveaway since I already have it. So it's just like a warm tone palette. And this is on their site for $11.99, which I will show you. Let's see. Okay. Let me get to it. Okay. So here is right there, and it is ringing up for, well, not ringing up, but it's saying it's $11.99. All right, and last but not least is this Bella Pierre Cosmetics Pro Concealer Palette. Now, I got this before in a BoxyCharm, which I do really like this. Let me cover up the mirror. It does come with a mirror, and it has these three colors right here. And I do like color correcting because I have a lot of sun damage on my face. You can't tell now because I have foundation on, makeup on. But I used to, when I was younger, go to the tanning bed and right to the beach, you know. And because of that, you know, we didn't know a whole lot about protecting your skin, right? You would put baby oil on or something. So now I do like to wear color corrector. Do I use it all the time? No, but I do enjoy wearing it once in a while. So the orange is supposed to be for dark spots, and that is really for like more medium to darker skin. I would go for like a peachy color, but this will work too. The green is for red. So if you have rosacea, if you have blemishes, anything that you want to try to cover up, you would wear the green. And the purple shade or lavender shade is for more if you want to brighten up your skin. So you can put that under your eyes or wherever you just want to brighten that up. And this is pretty good. Let me do a couple swatches. And when I looked on the site, this is coming up $32. So right there is what it looks like. Let me do some swatches. Right there. See how that orange is kind of dark? So that would be more for medium. I mean, you can get away with it. It will blend out, but you got to really blend it out and go in with a light coat. And I will show you where that is showing $32. And that was on Amazon for $32 right there. Okay, so when I added it all up on the calculator, it came to $60.98. So you're supposed to get over $80 worth of value. We did not. We only got $60.98, so about $61. I don't know. I tried to go on Instagram, but I couldn't see where it said what the value was supposed to be. Because we didn't get a card, I can't tell you what it said it's supposed to be, but I can tell you that you can get all this stuff for $61. So I don't know how I feel about the subscription. I mean, I think it's great that we're getting a palette. I think it's great that they're putting in a drugstore thing. I think it's great that we get this concealer, like, you know. I don't really care for crown brushes, but I will put it in a giveaway because one of you guys might like it. And I don't know how this lip mask works. I don't tend to like lip mask, but that's just a personal preference. But I'll give this to my mom because she does like it. I don't know if I would pay $7 for one. That is just me, but I'm also cheap. I don't know. What do you guys think about this? I don't know how I feel about it. I'm going to go one more month and then I will decide what I think about it. Let me know if you got a card in your subscription. And if you did, let me know what they're trying to say the value is supposed to be. But I just showed you right there, $61. Okay, now I want to tell you a little bit about these creams because I get asked a lot, what kind of creams do I wear on my face or whatever. I did get both of these sent to me for free for review. So I got this sent to me from Sol de Janeiro, this right here, and this is the full size. It would be $45. It comes in this box here. Now, I have tried the Bum Bum cream, which I love, love, love this so much. And the smell, I don't think they can get any better. I mean, I just love it. So this is supposed to be like a coconut smell, and this says it's Moisture Magnet Oil in Water Body Cream. Use cream to hydrate, you know, I guess I don't know what language, if it's in French or what have you. And so I opened it up because I love the smell of coconut. So I was so excited. So I opened it up, and I don't know if I told you, this just came out December 1st of this year. And it doesn't smell like the normal coconut smell. This is more like a woodsy coconut smell. I can't explain it. It's not bad like I'm like, oh my God, I can't use it because it stinks that bad. It's just not what I thought a coconut smell would be. Now, I did use it. A little bit goes a long way with this. But the formula is not the same as this. This is more like when you put it on, well, I put it on my hands first. And it made my hands not really sticky, but it was tacky to where my fingers kind of like were tacky. And I don't like that, of course, but when I put it on my arms and my legs and stuff, it's still a little tacky, but it's more tolerable because it's not your hands where your fingers are sticking together. And in time, it goes away, but it takes a while, where this you put right on and it doesn't get tacky or anything. So I don't know how I feel about this. It's like I wish they didn't change up the formula, just the scent. But I could be biased with the scent because I love this scent so much. But I can definitely tell you, this does stay tacky. So that's how I have to say about that. Now, this I love. So I got this scent by, I don't know how to pronounce this, IOPE, if you guys can see it right there. And this is a face. You would put on your face. I guess you would if it's a face cream. And this is Super Vital Cream. Now, this is expensive. I want to say this is about $100. And it does come with the little sticky thing here that you would use to get out your cream. And let me open this up. And this, too, a little bit goes a long way. Oh, let me put this down so I don't drop that. So you guys can see I have really got into that. And smells so good. But when I put this on, my face feels like a baby's bottom. It smells so good. It feels so good. Like, I love this. If you can afford, if you have the extra money and you're looking for a really good cream for your face, I definitely say this. I've been using this for about a month now, and I'm not going to say like it took away my fine lines or anything like that, but it really made my face so smooth. I just don't have the extra $100 to spend on this, but this will last you for a couple months. This will last you for a while because, like I said, a little bit goes a long way. Really, really, really love this cream. This, I would, if it wasn't sent to me, I wouldn't pay for this. But if they sent me this one, I'd be in heaven. But that's everything I have to say. I wanted to tell you a little bit about certain creams that I've been using. Let me know what you think about this. Yes, so yes. Did you get a card? What do you think? Let me know. But that's everything. Oh, I also want to tell you too, in the next couple of videos, I will be talking to you about the past giveaway, the 12 days of giveaway, and about the gleam. There were some glitches. And so I will talk about that because I'm going to have another little giveaway, a smaller one, and not go through Gleam for the people that had problems getting on Gleam and stuff like that. But I will talk to you about that in a later video. But as always, I leave videos right here if you want to watch more of me. Please like this video. It really does help me out. Comment below, subscribe if you haven't already. And I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.